Hey you guys, this is Lorie at TMI Gifts. Y'all join me today. We're gonna make a bow. Come hang out. I'm gonna call this the Tasha bow because Tasha, a girl that works for us, you guys may know her. If you get to know TMI Gifts, you'll know Tasha. But she loves to make bows, and she picked out this color combo because this orange color really inspired her, and she loves the color of this orange. So it's very, very different. It's probably one of the only places you're gonna get this really bright orange. So if you're looking for something for summer, this is your go-to. Love the black and white Harlequin that we have with this. So let's make a bow. We're gonna make a loop bow that's gonna go onto this a square boxwood right here. I am going to dovetail. You could fold this one. This is double-sided. It's a Harlequin. It's a 2-inch with this black on the other side. So let's make a loop bow. So I start out with my tail and I pinch, and then I twist and I make me a loop. Okay, we're gonna make this loop on the back, and then I'm gonna dovetail. Okay, so now I have my loop right here. Now I'm gonna go in with this really bright orange that Tasha loves. Okay, we're gonna do a loop with it as well. Okay, so tail, I'm twisting, and I'm looping. And then I'm gonna cut another tail. I love for my tails to be all different lengths, okay? So some of them are gonna be the same length, some of them are gonna be different lengths, okay? Right, so there's no really rhyme or reason sometimes. It depends on how many ribbons I'm using, what sizes of ribbons I'm using, and how many tails that I want and what I want my bow to look like, okay? So on my next one, I could very well go back with the orange and do a loop at the bottom so I have 2 tails at the top. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this carrot one that I absolutely love that has the black and white in it, and I'm gonna do another loop just like I did with this. I'm gonna cut this one just a little bit shorter because I want it just, see how that tail just kind of hangs out a little bit? And now I'm gonna do my tails at the top as well. So I'm gonna start at the top, I'm gonna leave me a tail, and then I'm gonna make a loop at the bottom so that I have another tail right at the top. So we're gonna dovetail that, dovetail this one, and then I have one down here that I haven't dovetailed. And you can wait and do this right at the end. All right, so I have a tail 2 tails at the top, have some tails here at the bottom. See how it's just giving it dimension when you do the extra tails on it? So now I'm gonna come in with this green that looks really pretty, that's gonna bring out the green in the carrot. This right here is a very inexpensive ribbon. It's gonna be great for outside, and it shows up. If you are wanting something that shows up, always do your green, your chartreuse green, your pinks, your hot pinks. Those colors are gonna show up on your door outside, okay? Now let's do another little tail at the top of this. So we're gonna do a tail, a loop, and a tail at the top. See how that gives that so much dimension? Then you wanna take a zip tie. And you could let's do one more. Tasha loves the black and white. So we have this black and white rickrack. Let's do just a little bit of black and white on the top. So just a little tail out here, one small loop right in the center. Oh, that just made a difference in it. So cut it off, give you a little bit of a tail there. Then let's put a zip tie in it. These zip ties sometimes have a hard time getting started. Now I'm going to clean up my ends, whatever I didn't get dovetailed. Okay. Now as you get it put onto your wreath, currently out of a few colors, but we do have some and we will be restocking those. And that is a loop bow.